Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a portfolio website using Wix in 2025, and it will be a complete step-by-step breakdown. So whether you are a freelancer, designer, writer, developer, or photographer, or even any type of creativity genre you are in, this having an online portfolio is a must, and with Wix it is easier than ever. No code needed ever. So let's jump into it. So here you just need to be sign up and choose a template, but here you can see that there is a different kind of interface because of we already created an account in Wix. Like when you will visit to the wix.com and you are new, you will get this kind of an interface. You just need to be click over here, get started, then it will redirect you to the next page where you just need to be input your data over here like information, then click to the sign up, and they will redirect you to the next page where they will ask you what kind of a page do you like website do you want to create. So now I'm going to click on this one. Let's click to the create new page. Once I click over here, now eventually you can see that here they are giving us the option that is bring your ideas to life with AI. Just click to set up without chat, just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see they are asking us that what type of website do you want to create. So here you just need to be select that will be portfolio. Here you will find out the portfolio, just select this one, and then you just need to be click on to the continue. Once you click over here, then it will prepare your dashboard according to your portfolios, like they will set up all the things. So here you can see the setup here. Would you like to call your website? It will be a portfolio. Then click to the continue, and here they are telling us that choose the apps you would like to add here. So you just need to add video blogs, and just click to the continue, and here you can see Wix apps already installed in our Wix platform, and just click to the continue to the dashboard, and here eventually it has been done. So here you are now allowed to add or connect a custom domain, then you are allowed to add your project to your portfolio. So you can choose portfolio when asked about your website type, and select Wix editor instead of Wix ADI for your full customization. Then you can select your templates, like pick on that fits your style. Like they provide like 900 plus templates, so you can choose which one fits to your style. So you can preview each one and click edit to start customize it. So before that, how you can do it? So here I will click to the design set. Once I click over here, then they will give us the option like here we have two options, like how would you like to design your website. Do you want to generate a design with artificial intelligence, or you just want to customize a template which previous they made? So I will click this one because it works perfect, but it has some problems, so I will ignore this one every time. So I will click over pick a template. Once I click over here, then eventually it will redirect us to the next page, and they will tell us to get an portfolio from that place. So here we have a couple of portfolio, you can see it. So you just need to choose a portfolio which fits to your design and your preference. So let's go and let's try to find out. Here we have the resume also, then personal thing. As you can see that, let's go to the resume and CVs. It looks really great, so I think this may be a great choice, and it fits with my design also. So I will click to the edit. Once I click over here, then it will be implemented in our website. Now here you can see eventual result, and it will take a while. Sometimes it takes time to load, so we need to be keep patient while this is doing on the back end. So now you can see that our design has been generated, and Wix randomly doing their work, so it need time. So let's wait a bit again. So adding Wix portfolio here, so you can see. So if I talk about that, like here adding Wix members and notifications, okay, great, okay, that's great. So now if you want to customize, like If you want to customize your portfolio template once inside the editor, we are already in inside here. What you can edit, like you can edit the header and logo, click to replace text or upload your own logo. Just click over here and click the quick edit, and here you can see you have all the necessary things. You can change your text. Let me make it by my name, and here you can see it already been changed. So this way you can change the menu, change the business setting, cart icon, and many things. Next, we are able to edit the navigation menu, like change page menu, for example, home, about, project, contacts, and many more. Then we can insert text box and image. Then we can change the sections like color and font. Use the site design panel to choose a color palette and typography. Let me give you a tip, that is stick to a clean layout. Make your work the highlight, not the design. So now add your work and project. How you can do it? Just come back to this place and click to your website. So let's refresh it, and here you can see this is our website. So I will click this one, not published yet, so click this one and it will redirect us to the dashboard. Here you can see we have this portfolio options. So you just need to select this portfolio options. Once you click over here, then eventually here you will have the options to add your works or your project over that place. Here we have web design, illustration, animation, others, photography, branding. So I will click to the next. Then you can upload your work or image from that place. So I will upload this image and then click to the generate project, and here you can see analyzing your images. So it will take time. So here you can see our project creation has been done. You just need to click to create portfolio. Once you click over here, it will take a while to load, and then our project will be added. It is really simple. You can use the lightbox to make it pop when people click on a project. So as you can see that our project has been added. So now you can add an about and contact section. Like about section, write a short bio, who you are, what you do, and why it matters, and add a professional photo if you will like. In the contact section, you can add your email, phone, or a contact form. Then link your social media icons like LinkedIn, Behance, Instagram, and also the GitHub. Let me give you a tip in this section, that use Wix forms to collect messages straight from the site. It's really amazing. So you can install this one by clicking on the app, then click to the app market, and then here you just need to be search Wix forms, and here you will get the Wix form to add these apps in your website. Here you can see we already install our Wix forms. So now we are going to talk about the optimize for mobile. Like you just need to click to the mobile icon at the top of the editor and rearrange or resize element for better viewing on phone. Then make sure all buttons and text are easy to tap and read, which lets you tweak your mobile layout separately without changing the version. Then once you find out that your work has been done, now you are able to publish your portfolio. Just click to the publish. Here you just need to click to the publish and choose your free Wix URL or connect your custom domain like your name.com if you have one. Then share your portfolio with clients, employees, or your social media followers. Like you can upgrade to a paid plans, give you more features like removing Wix ads and connecting custom domains. So let's wrap up the video here. Before that, let's view our website. This is our website link and this is our website. It looks really amazing, and that's how you can build a portfolio website with Wix in 2025. It is quick, easy, and totally beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, drop a comment if you want many video like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your portfolio.